Recording in progress.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another episode of Freedom of Speech on the Dime with your girl, Pleasure Time. Today, we're going to be doing one of the one-on-one legal sessions, just trying to get people out of their own way of thinking about legal beyond criminal charges. So that is pretty much what we're going to be explaining today. So I'm going to give you 5 other everyday situations that we don't think about when it comes to legal. All right, so I don't know if this is going to share my screen the way I want to. So let's see. All right. All right. So here it shows this is a Freedom of Speech LLC production, of course. So our first one is pretty much getting out of your own way of thinking. 5 everyday situations that legal services can help you with that have nothing to do with criminal matters. Okay. So this is our first episode in regards to that. Okay. Of course, I am Pleasure Time. It's always a pleasure. So we're going to dive right in. One of the first things that I like to talk to people about is pretty much a will. Why don't you have a will? Do you think you're not going to die one day? Like, I understand that that is a topic that no one wants to talk about, but one of the common things that we all are going to have to face one day. A will ensures that your last love letter to your family is heard even when you're going to be at rest. So, a will is actually very important. And since none of us know the time, the hour, and death really has no respect of age, anyone 18 years or older should have a will. This service is actually free with your legal membership. Even if you have a will and you need it to be updated, this is also something that could be done with your membership. Okay. So moving on. Number 2. You don't understand the difference between a will and a trust. So we just explained that your will is your last love letter that you pretty much leave your family. So we that. So a will is a simpler document that dictates the distribution of assets after death and requires probate. Now, probate is pretty much means that it may require you guys to go to court to ensure that this is this and that is that. Whereas a trust offers more flexibility, avoids probate, provides privacy, and can manage assets both life and after death. So someone does a trust, they can actually go ahead and distribute what they want to distribute, tell you, hey, I want you to run this, and that is what it is. Okay. So also something else that comes with your legal membership. Okay. So number 3, we do have those petty family members, and you do have those people who don't come out the woodworks until someone passed. So for those unforeseen, circumstances, when family members challenge the parent's will or someone's will. Well, see, this goes back to the dedicated law firm that's already prepaid. So their sole focus is to serve you rather than bill you. This comes along with your membership. So all you have to do is click the related topic in the app, you know, give a brief summary of your issue, upload any documents it need be, and schedule your consultation. Yes, that's simple. Moving along. Number 4, understanding your health insurance plans or new regulations. Now, it's pretty close to most companies' open enrollment that offers like health benefits, and maybe you understand the coverage, or maybe you're considering additional benefits due to something that may be going on in your life. Maybe you have some health concerns. Maybe you're having a child. Maybe you're getting ready to get married. So those are a lot of things that you want to consider, especially if you're doing new health care. Maybe you want to start a business, or maybe you're a business owner and you want to offer these types of benefits to your employees, and you want to see what things are out there and try to avoid any penalization for any government litigations for healthcare policies. So all these questions and more can be answered with a simple click of the app and request a consultation. Um, What about number five? You're selected for a tax audit. Now, with everything else going on in your life, the last thing you should be concerned about or worried about is being audited, but it does happen. So, this is actually something that your membership can help with as well. Simple as just tapping that app and scheduling a consultation. Now, I said give you these examples, and I want to thank you for staying with me for this long. I didn't want to keep much of your time, but I did just want to make you think outside the box as far as it comes to legal issues that have nothing to do with criminal matters. So I just want us to think about that. These have nothing to do with criminal situations or charges, but they are some everyday life situations that we tend to not think that they fall under the legal category. So if you still have questions, don't worry. We have experts standing by who can answer any of your questions. However, if you click the link in the description, it will take you to the website to get started. And I'm sure that the remainder questions can be answered. So what are you waiting for? We can go ahead and get you started now. Don't forget to share this with a friend. A lot of times we don't share everything that we're going through in life. So you have no idea what your friend, your family member is actually going through, no more than what they tend to share with you. A lot of times we don't share because we feel that people don't care or they can't help anyway. But share this video. You have no idea what they're going through, or it may be someone else that they may share it with. You just never know how this may actually bless you or someone else. Thanks again for watching.